copy well. It's a shell, like a how do you say that? Conch shell?
I don't know.
Conch.
Like, they make sounds with it.
Yes. Yeah, it's supposed to like sound like the ocean or something.
What'd you say it was?
I told you it wasn't an oyster. It's the same thing. No, it's not. Oyster has a pearl in it. Oh, well, that's Can you tell her the oyster in its shell? That's what Grace called it. It's the same
I mean, an oyster is made up of two shells, so they kind of are. Thank you so much. Can't help you out on that one. All right, you guys know when things are symmetric, right? What does that mean? If you cut it, and we've kind of done that with reflections, right? Hey, we did that with reflections, where if we folded it, then it should match up at every single spot. These lines that we're folding across are called lines, or it says it has a line of symmetry. So we're going to be looking at lines of symmetry a lot throughout this lesson. But yeah, like we said a minute ago, this lesson is actually really easy, and it involves zero graphing. So no graphing. You just need to know if something is symmetric, and if so, where you can draw the lines of symmetry. Okay? Some examples are this. So if you look at this crab here, if you folded it over that pink line, wouldn't it match up at every single spot? To an extent, yeah. If you look at that starfish, I don't know why all of these are like ocean related, but if you look at that starfish, you can see that you do.
She was like, you wouldn't be.
I know, she.
Yeah.
You can look at that and you can see that you can draw 5 lines of symmetry, 1 through every single one of those points. And then if you look at that shell, which looks like a blob on your paper, but if you look at that shell, notice you can't draw any line, and it has to be a straight line, obviously, but you can't draw any line in there that is going to make it equal on both sides. Do you know that, have you ever heard that technically humans are not symmetric?
I don't think I've ever seen someone fold a human.
We are not actually perfectly symmetric. I know there's like a TikTok filter now where it'll do like one half of your face
I hate that.
and it'll like make it symmetric, and then it'll do the other half and make it symmetric, and it does. It looks really weird.
Yeah.
But it shows you that we are not perfectly symmetric. It's weird. I know. All right, example 1. To decide whether the line shown is a line of symmetry, so can you fold it over that line and it be equal? Give me a yes or no for A.
Yes.
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 No.
That one is actually no. Picture that.
What? How?
If you fold it over that
Oh,
right
like
side,
that,
it's
yeah.
gonna fold over too far.
It is. It's not
Okay.
going to line up. And I will tell you the reason it doesn't line up is because it's a rectangle, not a square. If it was a square, it would. So meaning that all 4 sides are the same, it would work out. But since it's a rectangle and you don't have all 4 sides the same, it doesn't. So no on this one. What about D?
That's self-explanatory.
No.
It really is self-explanatory, right? So it is symmetrical, just the line of symmetry is in the wrong spot, right? Where would we put that line of symmetry on that one instead? Up and down, absolutely. So if we put it this way, that would work out. But for right now, the answer is
Same with C.
no. Yeah, same with C, absolutely.
Yes.
A
Yes.
has
Yes.
2 of them.
Okay, so A, yes. What about B?
Yes.
Yes.
It actually has none.
Actually,
Right down
yes,
the
it
middle.
does. If
No.
you turn it sideways, it's a diamond.
No, because those sides aren't the same.
They aren't the
In order
same.
for it to be a diamond, these 2 would have to be the same, and they're not. What about C? Does C have them?
Yes.
Okay. So what this one is actually asking for is for us to draw line of symmetries. So how many did you say on A?
I said 2.
Okay, perfect. So we have 1 vertical
Side to side.
and then 1 horizontal. Now the top and bottom sides are not equal, so that's all we have. If the top and bottom were equal, we would have some diagonals as well. Okay? But they're not, so we don't. So this one has 2 lines. B, we've already talked about that. These two, this side and this side, would have to be equal for it to actually be a diamond. So that one is none. How many do you guys think on C?
A lot.
6.
This one does have a lot. So let's start. Give me one.
Top, bottom, side, side.
Side to side.
Catty corner.
Diagonal here.
Cat corner again.
Diagonal here. What else?
Side.
It's actually not it.
What?
Again.
Middle of the side.
Another middle.
Middle of the side. There you go. So let's start here. How many do we have? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then obviously we're not going to include that one that we've already looked at. So how many do we have?
One.
Make sense? You guys good there? Perfect.
Yes.
All right. So all of these all have the same instructions. We're going to circle yes or no, and then we're going to say how many there are. So you said yes. Do you guys agree?
Do we always Do we always have to make them?
Yes. Yep. Where would you put it on this one?
Side to side.
Is that equal if you folded that over?
No.
Nope, so that one doesn't work.
Yeah.
Is that equal if you folded it over?
Yes. How?
Because if you look at this, no matter what happens, so like say we put it in the middle of this side, it's not going to be in the middle of that bottom side. Okay? So guess what, guys? No. There you go. You can't even do it diagonally on this one. And the reason, again, behind that is because the sides aren't equal to each other. And it is tilted. B. Yes or no?
Down. Yeah.
Perfect. Where are they?
Up down.
Okay, up, down. Keep going. There is more than one. And I will tell you this, because all sides are equal, that is what makes it more than one. So you said side to side, but I'm going to tweak it just a bit and do it like that instead. Actually, that was not drawn very well. There we go. Turn your paper sideways. Doesn't that work?
Yes.
Do you see it now? There's more.
The other side of that.
So guys, pretty much every time you see a point, you have one. Okay? So how many is that? I'm going to start up top and number them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 on that one. Letter C is yes, and all 4 of those sides are equal to each other. Where can we draw them? Up and down, perfect. Where else? Side to side.
Technically, can't there be more than
There are more.
It's a square, so yeah.
Yeah, there's one there.
Yep, perfect. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I had to put the heart on here because it's so cute.
That only has one.
It is a yes, and it is only 1. You guys good there? All right, I don't know what shape this is. Kind of like a windmill, right? Or a cross, yeah. What is an iron cross?
Isn't it like that fire?
Gotcha. Okay. All right, cool.
Wasn't it also for like the Twin Towers or something? No,
I don't recognize that. Yeah. All right, guys. So yes, the answer is definitely yes. How many?
I've got 2 so far.
Okay, so we got 1, 2. Matthew, you said you got 4. Where's the other 4? Or where's the other 2, I mean? Diagonal like this? Is that what you had? And diagonal like that? All right. Anything else? Nope, that's it. So we're going to stop at 4 on that one. This one is a rectangle. So, yes or no?
Yes.
Rectangles are always yes, right? How many?
2.
Just 2. Perfect. This is called a trapezoid.
Yes.
It is a yes.
Up
Yeah,
there.
and it appears to be an isosceles trapezoid. So we're going to assume that. So, where is it?
Up there.
Any more?
I can't see no more.
I don't either. Yep. So just the one. Last one. None of those sides are equal to each other. What do you
No.
guys think? That one is a no. So we're going to put 0.
Alright, cool. That was too much time before.
All right, I'm going to pass out the homework, guys. Don't lose it. Hunter, yours is in this row.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Yeah. You know where it's gonna be? No, where it's gonna be?
So today, instead of just
What is that? This? You drink.
not everybody got it done. Oh, here.
I didn't put some people.
You want the notes too?
Yes. How was the POD helpful? Do you think?
Yes, very
Okay,
much.
good. I was trying to
Yeah, very
decide
much.
how I wanted to hit all of it.
No, I liked it, and I mean, the most important thing, obviously, is just being able to get those numbers. So
Yeah.
Zanley, where'd you go?
I have to
go
the quiz.
Put them in there. Keep it here. No, keep it. Don't let anybody
Don't
touch
let
it.
anybody touch it. If it's not there on Monday
No, if it's not there when I come back during fifth period, like
or Monday.
No, I want to take it home with you.
Okay, girl, I'm gonna. You know what?
I'll leave it in my book bag.
I'm gonna beat you.
You remember what I said I wanted yesterday?
no,
The Airhead candies.
there. Oh,
I got some.
did you?
Yeah.
I didn't hear you say that yesterday.
I was sitting there and I was telling Emma.
Did you have
Emma
a
told me I didn't need them.
I will change if you say. Do you think these are too short?
No.
Put your hands straight down. I think they're right on the bubble,
Okay.
so you're good. Question. Can you be in here Power Hour 1 today?
I can see.
Or do you have a place to go? Because I'm doing NHS stuff, so I won't be in here, but I have Algebra 2 kids coming in to finish a quiz. If you're not going to be in here, I can... Austin probably will be in here. I can have him do it.
Do what?
What do you have going on during Power Hour 1? Do you have to cover something?
I just have to be in a classroom and there's usually kids in there. So.
Okay.
And then the
That's fine. I'll just
I
have
have
Austin
the
do it.
resource
Do
Yeah,
what?
I'll just have him do it.
Do what?
Just make sure you're in here. Oh no, you have to go get prom tickets.
Yep.
We could get prom tickets during Power Hour too.
I guess. I'd prefer 1 because I'd immediately go book it down there after Flex because it's in here.
I can just email Greg and say that I can't do power hours, but make sure he shuts the door.
Okay.
He leaves the door locked, so.
Okay. All right, that's fine.
Okay. Where is the money, by the way?
In my wallet.
Okay.
I did actually too.
So it's a little goofy trying to upload images onto Inventor. I'm trying to figure it out right now. It's a little goofy.
What do you mean? Try to.
So like in Tinkercad, you can put images like over, like project them onto like any 3D model stuff like that, and then I'm trying to do that